Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to another plan with me. Today I will be planning week 5, the first week of February, and you can see a little sneak peek here of last week. It was a very wintry spread. For week 5 and February I'm gonna be doing lots of Valentine's themed kits, lots of pink, and you already also see a little peek of my Valentine's planner setup here. I will make a separate video of that soon. This is the kit I'm going to be using. It's from SiellaStickers, and it's a leftover kit. I think this is actually the 3rd year in a row that I'm using it. I have quite a lot left, but it was a big kit, and I still end up using very little of it just in this personal spread. So I'm gonna have to do at least one more spread with this. But it's really pretty, super gorgeous illustrations and colors. Either way, here we go. So as always, I am whiting out all the text, everything, because everything is irrelevant as always. These are leftover inserts from last year, so nothing is correct when it comes to the dates or the weeks or the month. So yeah. And I start by adding some washi. Now this is a very Valentine's themed one I got from a kind of warehouse, well, not warehouse, that's the wrong term, department store I should say, in their stationery section here in Stockholm in Sweden. I don't live in Stockholm, but I was visited a couple years ago, and I don't remember the brand, but I love this washi, I love the quality, and I love the pink and the gold. You know, those are my colors. So I add this one at the top here for some decoration and cover up all the little white-outed spaces. And then I try to decide what day covers I want to use. I'm a little split between, I have one from SiellaStickers, or LovelyRosePrints as she used to be called. And I end up going with those since the kit is from her. I guess the style matches the best. So yeah, I'm using the last of the pink ones I had from her with gold foiling, super gorgeous, and they fit really well too with this heart kind of, I mean, the heart icon where you're supposed to put the date, which I am getting to really soon. And here it comes. So here are the dates. These are also leftover ones from Happy Scrappy they're printed on clear paper, so that's awesome. And what's so awesome about February this year is that we have 4 full weeks. So it starts Monday the 1st, and then it ends on a Sunday, I think, which is amazing. Like, how often do we get perfect months like this? I don't know, it just feels really good, especially when you're planning and having different spreads and the dates and everything. I don't know, it just feels really good. Am I the only one? I know my friend Desley mentioned this, but I feel like every planner girl should be, or planner guy, anybody in the planner world should be really excited about this. Either way, I'm adding the headers, as you can see, which came along with the kit. I chose 4 different colors because that's what they had, and since it's leftovers I had to be a little creative. But these are gorgeous kind of confetti ones. And then I continue with adding full boxes. As you've seen in my previous plan with Mies, I add one in the notes box, and on Sunday, because on Sunday I try not to plan anything. It's open day, I don't really do to-do lists and stuff on Sunday, go more by feeling, wanting to have a calm day. And then this washi is gorgeous. It's from a Simply Gilded Valentine's release a couple of years ago. It says love in their script and little hearts, and I add this one in the white space underneath the full boxes. Also has a gorgeous like pink ombre going from a darker to a lighter pink with the gold. The colors just match this spread perfectly. You could almost think it was a sticker that came with the kit, honestly. So really happy to found this. I just love when I have different things from different shops that, like, it was like they're meant to go together, you know, but the shop owners couldn't have known that. Matching things just makes my heart sing. So now I go ahead and add checklist full boxes, and I'm a little bit boring this time again. I did this, I think, last week and maybe the previous week before that. There was a little mark there also in this insert. It was like inside the paper. I couldn't get it off, and I tried to white it out just to make sure it wouldn't shine through the sticker. It's kind of pretty thick sticker paper, but you never know. This was a light full box too, so better be safe than sorry, right? Like I said, it was a little bit boring this time, just adding the full box everywhere. Not any character stickers. All I use is from this kit, except for the washi, of course. But I really like how cohesive it looks when you add checklist boxes or full list boxes. It doesn't look as scattered. I like that look too sometimes. It feels a little bit more scrapbooky. But I love this look too, and just having a plain list I can add things as they come up. It's really practical for me, especially when I plan ahead. And yeah, on Monday, underneath I had space for a quarter box. It's actually a bill due box. I'm adding this to mark me doing paperwork for my business. Like, I have my new routine called Money Mondays. Every Monday I sit down and go through economy things, both for personal and for business, but either way. I thought having some sort of money related box would work, even though it's supposed to be for bills. I wanted to use up what I had, so I got creative with that a little bit. Then I continue adding quarter boxes underneath the checklist full boxes because they just fit perfectly there. And then on Tuesday I do a mistake here. This event, well, not event really, this thing I'm going to is supposed to be on Wednesday. It's actually just a little prayer group with a few friends, and yeah, it used to be on Tuesday, then they moved it to Wednesday, or we moved it to Wednesday, I should say, and I forgot, so I had to remove that and do it over again. And either way, so even though, I mean, we're very few and everything, and we meet in the church and keep very, very large distances, it's a big space. So even though we're still in a pandemic, this prayer group and Bible study group is very valuable to me. So I'm so thankful that we can still make it happen, and not just be stuck alone at home all the time. We all know how difficult it's been in this past year with all that quarantine and everything. So either way, now I have to decide what to do on Tuesday. So I whited out, actually. I was able to do that with the half box. I didn't have to, throw it out. And this is actually when I do the plan with me that you're watching right now. So I'm uploading it on Tuesday, and I marked that. Then on Thursday, I am marking more money related things. I didn't get done with the paperwork on Monday, so I'm gonna continue on Tuesday, because next week it needs to be sent in, and I don't want to be last day or last second, so I want to finish it this week, hopefully, so that I don't have to worry about it anymore. And then on Friday I add another quarter box. Try to mix match the colors a little bit. Like, I had a pink checklist box up here, and now I add a mint quarter box. I don't want to be too cohesive. I want it to be a little bit scattered, a little bit more fun like that. And I just mark, because I have my meal prep, or like do my cooking on Fridays, do a large batch, and then I freeze in lunch boxes. Or dinner, actually. I don't eat them for lunch, I eat them for dinner. Either way, Saturday I add the last quarter box for the week. And this one is a little bit special, actually, because last week was my mom's birthday, and now finally we'll be able to come to celebrate her a little bit with distance, of course. But yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So here's the finished spread, guys. I'm adding it into the planner again. this spread really fits and matches really well with the planner and setup itself, which makes me really happy. You know, I love when things match. So yeah, I love how this turned out. Even though it's simple, it didn't take me super long, but I like that, and I don't want it to be, or look actually, too complicated sometimes. I want planning to be easy and fun and pretty and inspirational, you know, for me to do and look at, of course. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this spread. You know, I always love hearing your thoughts, so please comment below. And I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.